Math Standard 8.EE.C.8. The graph of x plus y equal -9 is shown. Use the add arrow tool to graph the equation y equal to 2x plus 3 on the same coordinate plane. Use the add point tool to plot the solution to the system of linear equations. So this line right here is the equation x plus y equal to -9. So our task here is just basically to graph this equation. If you will analyze this equation, this one is in slope intercept form, y equal to mx plus b, where the value of m is the slope or the rise over run. Alright. Then b is the y-intercept. Okay. So let's determine the slope and the y-intercept. The equation is y equal to 2x plus 3. So the slope here is positive 2. So m is equal to 2. In fraction form, that is equal to 2 over 1. Remember, if you will apply the concept of rise over run, your slope should be in fraction form. Alright? And then the y-intercept is 0, 3. The y-intercept, the value of x, is always equal to 0. So the graphing will start right here on 0, 3. So let's look for the 0, 3 on the y-axis. So 0, 3 is right here, in between 2 and then 4. And then apply the rise over run. The slope is positive, so the behavior of the line should be increasing. So it means 2 units upward and then 1 to the right. So 2 units upward, 1, 2, and then 1 to the right. Alright, so from here, 2 units upward, 1, 2, and then 1 to the right. Now we can extend the line on the other side. So we can count 2 units downward and then 1 to the left. So from here, 1, 2, and then 1. Same thing here, 1, 2, and then 1. Alright, so we can just connect all the points. Remember, you just need 1 or 2 points to graph a linear equation. Alright, so the point of intersection is right here. So the point of intersection is -4, comma, -5. So -4 on x and then -5 on y. Alright.